Not sure if those rough skin patches are tinea versicolor? Here are 5 common signs people notice. Number 1. Patches become more noticeable after being in the sun. The surrounding skin tans, while the affected areas often stay lighter. Number 2. The spots usually appear on the chest, shoulders, back, or neck. Those areas tend to be more prone to flare-ups. Number 3. The texture can feel slightly dry or flaky. Some people notice very fine scaling on the skin. Number 4. The patches may slowly spread over time. What starts as a small area can gradually become more noticeable. And number 5. It often comes and goes, especially during warmer months. Heat and humidity can make flare-ups more common for some people. Follow nature's innovation for more Tinea Versicolor facts.